Go for it. Okay, here we go, guys. This is it. Good evening, everybody. Have you checked out the website? What website? Visualfusions.co.uk. Sounds good. I'll go now. Okay, let's go into some bright red. I'm using the same brush here. Let me show you here. Now this red is very strong, but once it's mixed with the ochre or whatever, it does die down. Now let's go about here. Just bring some of that in here. Again down here. Okay, going into this blue, phthalo blue. And we're gonna go, it's the same brush. Let's just put a nice bit of sky in here. Painting is very relaxing, very relaxing. Guys, if you're enjoying what you're seeing, please tap the screen. It really does help. Sharing is a massive help. Press the share down the bottom there. Send it to all your friends. I'm just going to touch a little bit of Indian yellow into this blue. And this will give it like a slight sort of greenish sort of flavour. Let's just sort of come down here. And that will help with it being water if I decide to have water there. I'm going to bring that across. So I'm just blending this out now. Look at them colours that. You see that slightly greener down here? I don't know exactly where I'm going to have water, but it's there if I want it. Right, I'm going to pull this over now. Pull this over, see I can move that paint. Some very nice sort of subtle colours tonight. Okay, just go straight across. There we go, look at that. Around here. And we're just making some mountain shapes. Maybe there's another one that lives there. Let's make a little one here. Just pressing that into the canvas. Maybe there's another little point there. I just want to pull this down now. Just blend this out. Just make these shapes of the mountain. I really do like doing mountains. I've been doing lots of different stuff lately and I just fancied doing a mountain tonight. Something like that. A bit of the ochre, just make that marbly. You know, cut across with a little roll of paint, bring it down there. So yeah, this colour has got the colours of the sky in it basically. We love that quite sort of bright down there, look. We'll just put a nice little, we'll have a little cap. Oh, that's picked up some nice colours there. Like that, let's have some streaks of, just to mix it up a bit. Some oh look at that, that looks nice. Cut across. I'm going to put some shadow colours in. I'm going to go here. I don't want to kill all the dark. Come down here and we'll sort of do this. Shadow on this one. Got that same colour. Let's bring this one in front. Look at that, we can add some. I've got some really nice yellow in there. Now we can add some dark over here. I'm going to bring some of this liquid white up. Just going to keep tapping until we get a nice bit of mist. Just create a little bit of mist in them places. There we go, look at that. a hill that goes over here. Keeping that mist. Maybe it comes down there a little bit. Just any old sort of bumps and that. We're going to turn these into little trees in a minute. So we're going to lift up very gently, and this will make thousands of little tiny trees. I'll show you a little bit closer. That is the way you paint thousands of trees in literally 20 seconds. Okay, here we go, a little tap. There we go. Put a nice close one in. Maybe it goes up like this, up there. Now we can just fill all this up. And look at this, but go something like that. Use a big brush here, and then we're going to create some water sort of sheen. Let's go over here. There's another sort of waterline here. Something like this, I think, something like this. Plenty of paint. There we go. That looks, I think that looks quite nice there. And just put a few here and there. Just a little tap of the palette knife there. Just put some little highlights on here. So I've got very, very thin paint. There we go. We'll just do some different sort of things here and there. Put some bushes in there, we'll see. This might just look alright as it is. Something like that. A very thin paint here. Very thin paint indeed. There we go. Okay, let's just, I want to put some little twigs and some sticks here. We can have some down here. Just lots of little things. Ooh, there it is. Right off the top of the page. Go for it. Okay, here we go, guys. This is it. What do you think, everyone? Do you like it? Right, we're going to come out. We are going to come out. It looks lovely, but we are going to finish off this. Like this. I know some of you might have said, you know, that's lovely as it is. And it is lovely, but I just want to do this. Brilliant, thank you, amazing. Thank you, everyone, much appreciated. Beautiful, well. Beautiful, stunning, thank you, nice, wow. Thank you, everyone. Isn't it? And there's one over here that I'm going to do, and we're going to put them highlights on as well. On this one here, nothing too mad. There we go. What do you call this one? Tonight. I'm just going to bring just this one up here. There's my signature, and there we go. That's done.